That makes sense. And just to give you a quick idea, even more tangible example, I consider myself a full-time creator right now, even though I have clients on the side. So I do 2 live streams every day, Digital Drop Podcast and AWOL Digital Podcast. And I also do daily videos on my YouTube channel. So I spend hours every day creating content because I love it. But I can't pay my bills exclusively with that. And just to give you a little bit of insight, the way that I'm paying my bills is I get sponsorship revenue from this podcast and sponsorship revenue from my AWOL Digital Podcast. I make affiliate money off of sending people to Amazon to buy technology products. I make YouTube revenue off of my main AWOL Digital YouTube channel. And I also make consulting revenue off of consulting with creators, tech companies, and media companies and startups. And I also run webinars and events and do technology for all remotely from my home studio, from my office here. And I do webinars and actually run it from my home studio using my home studio rig, and people pay me an hourly rate for that. So the reason why I'm telling you that is revenue diversification is everything. Your skills that you're learning as a creator here in your studio, those graphic design skills, those editing skills, those live streaming skills, those marketing skills, those social media skills, those YouTube skills, there are companies and there are old men that are ready to pay you money. I'm telling you, there's old dudes out there that are 40, 50, and 60 that they need their business to have a dude like you in the studio running that stuff for them because they have no idea what they're doing. Old women as well, who have no idea what they're doing. And they need young people like you, curious people like you that are learning this technology, are learning this space and are living in it every single day. And they will pay you to do those individual things on a daily basis. And I cobble together all that revenue and I pay for my bills. And so for those of you out there that are wondering, well, how can I just play video games and make a living? Maybe you can. Probably you won't be able to though. And so that's why we're telling you the truth. We're not just doing a podcast that cherry picks the couple people that can pay their bills only playing video games and making gaming content out there, which is literally 1 in hundreds of thousands. If you want to make that a big part of your life while also supplementing your income with other items, this is the strategy that's worked for us.